Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are inside and I felt like baking a cake, but not just any kind of cake. I recently saw on YouTube a pound cake by the name of Elvis Presley, and honestly I have never heard of that until I watched the YouTube content creator's channel. The content creator is L&L, and they're located in Tennessee. I will go ahead and put a link for their channel in the description of the video. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cream together 3 cups of sugar and 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to start off on a low speed. Then I'm going to pick it up. This is going to run until it's creamy, and should take about 7 to 10 minutes. So we'll come back when it's done. We're back, and the sugar and butter have been creamed together. Next, I'm going to add 7 eggs, one at a time, in. And beat those. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. One. 2. And we're going to mix that in. Okay, we're going to next mix in 3 cups of cake flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt that I've sifted together 3 times. So, and we're also going to mix in buttermilk. This is 1 cup of buttermilk. All of my ingredients have been at room temperature. So I'm going to mix in half of the cake flour. Let's take the guard off. And we're going to lower it. Half of the cake flour. Half of the buttermilk. I'm sorry, the whipped cream. The heavy cream. Well, I'll get it right. Now we're going to blend that together. And now we're going to put in the remainder of the flour. And the rest of the heavy cream. Going to blend. I'm going to scrape down the sides. And the paddle. Blend one more time. Okay, your batter should look like this. So, stirring in everything from the bottom to make sure that everything is mixed. Okay, that's that. Next, I'm going to take my pan. I'm going to spray it. This is Baker's Joy. It's non-stick baking spray with flour in it. And we're going to pour it into the pan. Shaking it to make sure that it's all level and equal. Okay, the recipe calls for the cake to go into a cold oven at 350 degrees and it will cook for an hour or until done.
I forgot to turn on the microphone, so there will be an AI voice from here until the end of the video. So as you saw, the cake is done. It is cool enough for me to try and remove it from the pan. Here, I'm taking a plate and trying to flip the cake out. It will not come out, so I take a knife and run it along the sides and bottom. So, here is the cake, flipped over and on the plate. I'm a little disappointed that it stuck, but it looks good. I'm going to let it continue cooling, then ice it with the store-bought cream cheese icing. I would like to thank you for coming along with me while I bake this cake. I love baking desserts like cakes and pies. If you enjoy seeing me bake cakes and pies, let me know in the comment section below. If you got something out the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so at this time. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe all. Until next time, stay blessed and remember to give God the thanks, for without him we are nothing.